Hey, my name is Dan. I used to work at the biggest dealership in the country. Now I teach fine folks like you how not to get fucked when buying a car. Now in this video, I want to talk to you about a Chevy commercial that is just priceless. It's so good. I actually made a video about this commercial, but somehow, as usual, you would not believe my video got fucking deleted and I don't know where it's at. It didn't get deleted off YouTube. It got deleted from my computer. My computer is magical. It deletes shit all the fucking time. So I can't find it where it's at. So I'm making a new one. And when I'm making a new one, I'm doing some extra research and holy shit, I just saw something that is absolutely fucking mind-blowing. So let's watch the commercial and then I'm gonna tell you, like, this is real crazy. Let's watch the commercial because I still want to watch it with you in case you haven't seen it. Because this shit doesn't make sense at all. Let's get in.
Hey guys, thanks for coming today. We brought Ford, Honda, and Toyota owners together today to talk about reliability.
Cool.
So this is one of those Chevy commercials with real people. Oh my God, these real people. There must be a fucking giveaway at H&M. Because these real people, they all, oh my God. Have you ever, anybody seen real people dressed like this in the same environment? And again, I'm sorry for the video because Chevy actually removed this video. I had to scour the fucking internet to see one and I found one with the shitty quality. But shitty quality better than no quality at all.
Who are the Ford owners?
Me.
Who's a Honda owner? And you guys have Toyotas.
Yes.
Ford owners, would you be surprised to hear that Ford is the most reliable car company?
No, it doesn't surprise me. Basically, everyone in my family has a Ford.
Very reliable.
Well, actually, it's not Ford.
What?
Are you guys surprised it's Honda?
No.
It's not? Oh my God, Ford is not most reliable? Oh good, what could it be? It's a Honda. What a surprise, what a fucking surprise. No, we're not surprised, it's a fucking Honda. Like, what is there to be surprised by?
Honda's reliable.
Well, actually, Honda is not the most reliable.
Really? How? What?
What? No way, how many more covers you got under there? Toyota? Okay, Toyota, Honda, I can't, who cares? It's the same. Is that even a different company? I can't tell. I mean, they both run for such a long time. Really, you get a Toyota Corolla or a Honda Civic. It's exactly the same shit, only one is a college student and the other one is a racer. I'm sorry, but getting a Honda Civic in your 20s, that just screams. Attention! Look at me.
Toyota!
I mean, I knew in my heart Toyota is one of the best brands out there.
It's actually not Toyota either.
It's not? Oh my God. Chevy guy, what could it be? Could it be a Chevy? Could it be a fucking Chevy?
Oh.
Chevy.
What a fucking surprise. It's a Chevy. Hold on. So you're trying to tell me Ford ain't it? Well, I wasn't even questioning that. That's for goddamn sure. Yeah. Ford, reliability, they're not even in the same fucking zip code. They're not even in the same continent. I don't think they're in the same fucking universe. It's not Honda, it's not Toyota, it's Chevy. Really? You know how they came up to this conclusion? They asked random people. They questioned random people how reliable was their car in first 12 fucking months. In 12 months of reliability. What kind of reliability is that? That is not... That is no standard. You go out and ask some random people how many parts have they changed in the last 12 months. What kind of answers are you gonna get, especially when the survey was Chevy sponsored? You know what, actually, hold on a second. Yes, I'm sorry, I'm getting latest news. And the latest news is by Dan sponsored survey, I got the biggest dick in town. Would you believe that? What can I do? It's not hard being me. It's actually pretty easy. Survey says biggest dick in town right here.
Oh my God, it's Chevy.
You have me bragging.
Based on a recent nationwide survey, Chevy is more reliable than Toyota, Honda, and Ford.
Wow.
Wow.
I never would have thought.
I'm so impressed.
Might have been slightly wrong.
Chevy's killing it.
I love it.
God, you are not gonna believe what actually happened. Now, you know what happened? Honda and Toyota told Chevy, get the shit off the fucking screen right now before you get bent. And you know what Chevy did? They were like, yeah, absolutely, we fucking will. Because Chevy does not want to get sued by Honda and Toyota. Chevy is on their back foot already. They're barely staying afloat. Barely staying afloat. And you do not want to get into a fight with two fucking giants, Toyota and Honda. Toyota and Honda had legal reasons to tell Chevy, sit your ass down, because it's a lie. It's a lie. You are not the most reliable. And you know what Chevy did? They sat the fuck down. They sat the fuck down because they couldn't do anything. Because if you actually go into legalese, if you get lawyers involved, guess what? Chevy is gonna lose. Because this Chevy commercial is only good for idiots that know nothing about cars. And I know I said idiots, and that's a little harsh. Let me change that. Uneducated people. Because idiots is true, but like it's not really, it kind of is their fault for not being educated on something common, which is like cars. You deal with that shit every day. But come on, don't fucking trust these commercials. And I don't trust Toyota commercials at all. I don't trust Honda commercials. Fuck all that shit. They don't give a shit about us. They only care about money. They only care about money. They only care about money. That's the only thing these big companies care about. You want to hear something funny at the end? If I wasn't making you laugh, I hope this will. You know what Ford did? Nothing. Because even Ford can't argue with Chevy reliability. I mean, Chevy's here, Ford is, nowhere near to be found. The only good cars from Ford is not even a car, it's a truck. That's it. Trucks from Ford is the only thing that you should be buying. Their cars are so bad that if it wasn't for Ford F-150, Ford would not exist as a company. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up below and click the subscribe button over my head, or watch one of those two videos if you want to see more money-saving tips about cars. This is Dan with 60 Minute Car. I'm signing out, and I'll see you on the internet.